There are tools we can use to empower ourselves, tools that can help us access an internal place of safety and well-being that is not dependent upon the outside world. We can actually create a sense of security and easefulness within ourselves from a source that is always accessible and always present. The benefits of accessing this inner resource are immense. When we feel safe and secure in life, we're able to be creative, inspired, energized, and much more alive. We live life closer to a full expression of our true selves. A solid sense of well-being allows us to stay connected to what is real and true in our lives. Being deeply connected to our inner resource helps us observe when we go away from our inner truth. It makes us more likely to stay peaceful and happy, even in the midst of adversity.